Lights on the walls, shadows within, no sirens screaming, no warning signs, just fractured futures drifting through time. We walked in systems we built to obey, handed our questions and looked away. Something was breaking under